warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I am so glad to greet you. Students, last week we studied material about natural and man-made features and the division of time in Indonesia. And now we study material about the diversity of Indonesian nation and culture. But did you know what ethnic groups are in your neighborhood? Is there any traditional clothes that have been worn by someone around you? If you don't know, then listen to this material carefully so that you understand the diversity of ethnic groups and cultures in Indonesia. Next, ethnic diversity. Number one, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. There are more than 1,000 ethnic groups in Indonesia. The vast territory of Indonesia affects the high diversity of the Indonesian people. You secondly know the Indonesian nation consists of various ethnic groups. The diversity of ethnic group will determine the diversity of ethnic groups will determine the cultural diversity of the Indonesian nation. Even though our nation culture is very diverse, it is still one nation, namely the Indonesian nation. This is in accordance with the nation motto Indonesia, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Although they are different, they are still one. Bhinneka Tunggal Ika means even though they are of different ethnicity, culture, religion, and local language, but still one nation, namely the Indonesian nation. The sentence Bhinneka Tunggal Ika is taken from the Sutasoma book written by Empu Tantulak. It's a quote from the Majapahit Kingdom. Full sentence reads Bhinneka Tunggal Ika Tanhana Dharma Manghua. Okay, students, did you understand? If you understand, next material. Number 2, ethnicities in Indonesia. In Indonesia, there are many ethnic groups scattered on the island which exist. These ethnic groups include the following. On the Sumatra Island, on the island of Sumatra, there are tribes Aceh, Batak, Karo, Mandailing, Malay, Lampung, Minangkabau, and Kumarin. This is an example of tribes of Sumatra Island. Aceh, tribes Aceh. And next, this is an example Minang tribes, Minangkabau. Next, tribes Batak tribes. Okay. On the island of Java, there are tribes Java, Baduy, Banten, Karimun, Madura, and Tengger. This is example tribes of Java Island. And next on the island of Bali, there are tribes Bali. This is an example Bali tribes. Next, Nusa Tenggara Island. On the island of Nusa Tenggara, there are tribes Alor, Aloni, Adonara, Belu, Bima, Damar, Flores, Ende, Kupang, and others. This is example the Alor tribes. Okay, next, Kalimantan Island. On the island of Kalimantan, there are tribes Abai, Adang, Banjar, terus Bulungan, Dayak, Dusun, Tabuyan. This is Banjar tribes. Next, on the island of Sulawesi, there are tribes Ampana, Bajo, Bobongko, Bugis, Parigi, Makassar, Toraja. This is an example Toraja tribes. Next, Maluku Island. On the island of Maluku, there are tribes Aru, Buru, Kei, Loda, Moa, Seram, Tanibar, and Tubelu. Next, on the island of Papua, there are tribes Asmat, Anggi, Mapia, Mimika, Sentani, Wego, and others. This is the example of Papua. Okay, students, the ethnic groups mentioned are a small part of the tribe nation in Indonesia. Complete your knowledge by reading from other sources or in your school library. We must respect ethnic difference. Although difference do not cause division between us, as in our difference can still establish a sense of unity and oneness. Difference become strong because our nation is a great nation. Attitude, respect, and appreciation must be created in everyday life, at school, at home, and in the community. Unity in diversity is very important to create peace. Okay, student, the following is an explanation of the material regarding ethnic diversity. The Indonesian ethnic group consists of various ethnic groups such as Javanese, Batak, Balins, Asmat, and others. The existence of this ethnic difference does not make us enemies, but makes us united for Indonesia, as the motto of our country, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. As the next generation of our nation, we must be able to maintain harmony and maintain the wealth of ethnic groups in Indonesia. Maybe that's not for today lesson. To deepen this material, I give an assessment, namely, make a list of the name on your countries, classmates, and write down their ethnicity. Collect next week, okay? Thank you for paying attention to my explanation. Less and more, I apologize. Keep the spirit to keep learning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.